Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today, we have a collaboration. So we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're starting a theme every month with Tablescape Tuesdays, and today I'm calling this one Mellow Yellow. So let me go ahead and show you what my tablescape, which is already made up, is looking like. So we have the napkin, which was I think that was gifted to me, and then we have this tie from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart before I show you the rest of the table. Now this was a thrifted item. I always use these guys because they're so nice. So always remember that Tablescape Tuesdays, as I said before, is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Now, usually it's any color, style, or theme, unless there's a guest. If a guest comes in, the guest gets to choose what color, style, or theme. Now, what I did do was go ahead and add a theme once a month myself so that we can try to make this fun. So I'm really happy to announce that. Okay, so these plates were all thrifted. As a matter of fact, I absolutely love this this item here, Chris Madden. So home collection. I absolutely love these dishes, guys. And I love the color yellow. So it's not anything like shockingly yellow. It's a different kind of yellow. Okay, this one's more pale. So there's the dinner plate. I am loving this dishware set. I'm so glad I found it because I'm really starting to like that yellow color. So now this was a placemat from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love it. This one is in the green. They did have it in other colors, okay? And then this, the Dollar Tree is carrying this also, but this is not a Dollar Tree item. So they're pretty thick. They almost remind me of Hobby Lobby, but this is what I got. So I decided to layer it this way. I placed a round placemat, and then I kind of put this leaf over to the side so you could see it more. See? I think that looks so nice. And then I decided I forgot to use the chargers, guys, but I think this looks okay. Forgot to pull one of my chargers out, so you don't get the full look, but I think it looks beautiful. So I layered it this way. Got carried away with that green leaf. All right, so then this is how this is looking so far. I like that leaf sticking up like that. I think it looks really pretty. Then we have this, I just got this wine glass bag, so I like the shape of it. It's absolutely beautiful. I had it in the other house for some reason when I moved here. I don't know what happened to it. So that was a Dollar Tree item, and this here is a thrifted item. Okay, then we have the flatware, which came from Aldi in the gold tone. So this is what my tablescape is looking like. Then if we come over here, this is absolutely beautiful. So this beehive I got from Dollar General. I am loving it. It's a container, guys. And then we have these beautiful mugs that came with that teapot. I'm loving that as well. And then we have the little honey pot. So all of these things are thrifted except for that little tea sign. So here we have the honey. I like that. So of course Nina's drinking water, and so she's starting to cough here. I hope she doesn't, but okay. So I'm absolutely loving this teapot. It couldn't ask for the best time for the teapot. Because we're getting into the bee theme. Now I grabbed these from the Dollar Tree. I grabbed two, okay, and I put one on each end with the bees. So I like this. I got that from the gardening section, and I think it looks beautiful on the table. Then what I did here is I use, these are all Michael's florals, the tulips and these little mini roses. So I just grabbed the yellow ones and put them in there. This was a DIY vase, and the little chubby birds also came from the Dollar Tree. The lamb's ear was thrifted. What a great find that was. Now the candle and the top, this whole thing here came from the Dollar Tree. I just stuck a candle in there. It works perfectly. I just put the top on and it just works perfectly. That's a DIY. that I made not that long ago, so right around Easter time. So I absolutely love it. So I just put it right there in the corner, and the florals also did come from the Dollar Tree in the plus section. So looking at this tablescape, guys, this is an absolutely beautiful tablescape for Mellow Yellow. This is the way that I decided to go with it. I kept the bee theme on the table. I love the bee theme, okay? And so that is what this is looking like. I am loving it. And I hope that you guys do too. So before we head on over to the reveal, let me just say, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.